Hello, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to request a refund on Offerup. So if you've bought an item off of Offerup through worldwide shipping and you inspect it and there's something wrong with it, well, you can actually let the seller know that you want a refund. So to request a refund, you need to basically navigate to your notifications and then tap on the inbox and then select the notification or basically the product that corresponds to the item which you would like to request a refund for. Then afterwards you want to request a refund and then basically state what's the issue within the text box and then tap on request a refund. So after you've requested a refund, the seller has 2 days to accept or decline your request for a refund. If the seller accepts, Offerup will actually send you a prepaid shipping label to mail the item back to the seller. So you do need to return your item back to your seller. And so you have to use this label in order to qualify for the refund that you've requested. So you want to make sure that you ship the item within 5 days. The sooner the better, honestly, if you do want your refund. If the seller declines or doesn't respond to your refund request, you have 2 days to report the issue directly to Offerup. So I've had certain scenarios in which the seller didn't respond to my refund request. And so because of that, I had to escalate the issue directly with Offerup. And usually Offerup is quite good at making sure that if the seller is just non-responsive and the product that you've purchased is defective in some sort of way, or it's not as what it was listed within the description, Offerup is usually quite good at making sure that you're taken care of. So it is important to note that you have to report within 4 days of the item being delivered. You have 2 days to contact the seller and 2 more days to contact Offerup, again, if the seller does not respond or declines. So with that though, if we're talking about like damaged items or counterfeit items, or basically any other questions, you are more than welcome to contact Offerup on how you should proceed with getting a refund. So again, this tutorial is on how to request a refund with Offerup.